Three, four, five.
Ready or not, here it comes.
Found you!
The Brother Luminaire Innov-ís XP1. Filled with brilliant new technology that's simply light years ahead.
I love you.
Featuring StitchVision Technology, a revolutionary new system for virtually perfect stitch positioning and more precise previews from an intelligent projection of light that lets you preview, audition, and edit designs and stitches directly on your fabric. Plus, the enhanced design capabilities of My Design Center to add the perfect touch to any project. And simply brilliant technology that makes sewing easier, like our largest size hoop with an easy spring lever release. So you can comfortably work on larger projects to make perfectly stunning creations and let your creativity shine. Plus, a new echo quilting feature to create beautiful ripple-like effects. All designed to light up your world and
I
theirs.
see stars.
The Brother Luminaire Innov-ís XP1, the new star in the sewing world.